Hey all, this is a short video review of this Phomemo label printer. So as you can see, it's quite small and it's a okay color. Right now I believe it's selling for $47 Canadian, I believe. It comes in a different colors. I got the green. So it has a little bit of sample paper in here. So if I open this up, just give me a sec. You can see that you do get a roll of paper in here, some sample paper. So it comes with this little sticker that I've already tore off, telling you which way to, pull the printer out, which is kind of self-explanatory. If you notice, when I print this first test page, I haven't printed a test page yet. Some of it might look crappy because I tore some of the paper off when I tore the label off. So just FYI. So I'll put this back in here, close it up, okay, and there we go. So I have my app on my phone. I have a different Phomemo printer as well, so I already have the app loaded, and I am going to print a picture of a painting I did, a black and white painting I did that's on my app. So if you see here, there's the app there, and here's the painting, so I've chose that one. I'm going to press done. And then at the top you see it says print, so I don't want to, it says collage, so I'm not too sure what I'm doing here actually. I think I might print out too, so let's see what happens anyway. So I'll press print and then print down here, and you see that this is now pumping out. So yeah, so it is doing a collage. It's kind of printing two of them at once. So I was just fiddling around. Obviously, you could print just the one picture out if you wanted. Tear it off, and there you go. This is, I believe, sticky paper on this. So if I peel it off, yep, it's sticky, and I could, stick it anywhere. So works as it should. Quality isn't bad for these type of little label printers. Usually you're going to use it for just